What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video where we're going to be unboxing a 3D printer. That's right, your boy got himself a Bambu Lab P1S for Christmas. I picked up the printer during the Black Friday sale. It was a great deal. It seemed like just the thing I would need to turn my minus 52% return on investment do-it-yourself robotics business profitable. I'm just kidding. I am very excited to see what kinds of builds we can do with this thing. After I've learned to use it, I would like to print a cool body for the RC car. However, in this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing experience as well as my first prints. Let's go! I have my official Christmas/New Year's Eve outfit on, which makes me look like an unemployed hobo. If you guys follow me on X, you guys already know that I have got myself a Bambu Lab P1S 3D printer. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the complete unboxing process of this 3D printer. Let's get started. And right there, we have the official instructions on unboxing this thing by Bambu Lab itself. As my tools, I have just a regular knife, a screwdriver, and these cutters, whatever you want to call them. So the first step is for us to just open the box. I think it's actually better for us to put this thing down so you guys can see better. Now let's have a look at the video. Okay, so we're just gonna take the whole thing out of the box. All right. This will be a good trash bin. And now we're going to remove the plastic bag. And just out of the box, I must say that this thing looks very sturdy, very professional. And we have got ourselves a quick start guide, I think. 3 premium models, look at that. Some stickers, always cool to have them. Please review the entire guide before operating the printer. Yes, sir. Time to open the accessory box. And now we have everything laid out exactly as in the video. And at this point, we should just plug in the cable into this display. Next, let's open this box. It should contain a screwdriver for our next step. And inside here we have 3 screws that we need to undo. So 1, 2, and 3. And here we go for spool holder. And of course, grab the actual spool holder. So it should go this way. One thing that surprised me was that we actually need to undo this one screw of the spool holder before we are able to attach the actual thing. Alright, we should be ready to turn the thing on. Now I'm going to actually have to use my phone for a while to configure the Wi-Fi. I just managed to connect my phone to this thing and it should be ready. I don't know what all this stuff is for, but I'm sure we'll find out later. Let's open up the filament. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally ready to do the Hello World build, if you will, of 3D printing. And of course, I'm talking about Benchy the boat. You will get it soon. It was extremely cool to see this thing alive for the first time. And the Benchy turned out perfect. Just look at the level of details on this thing. So yeah, I would say the acquisition of the printer is definitely a success. Our next step is to design and print a body for the RC car, so stay tuned for that. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!